Are you ready to face the unknown, to step into a world where the past never dies? Ireland is a land soaked in history. Every stone, every crumbling wall tells a story. Some stories are darker than others. Our first stop is a place known as one of the most haunted castles in the world, Leap Castle in County Offaly. But the real terror lies within its most infamous room, the Bloody Chapel. A bitter rivalry between two O'Carroll brothers ended in murder. Right here, in this chapel. Visitors report a powerful, menacing presence in the chapel. They feel watched, they feel threatened. Leap Castle is also home to a terrifying elemental, a grotesque, hunched creature, accompanied by the smell of sulfur. For the ultimate thrill seeker, your must-do at Leap Castle is a late-night vigil in the Bloody Chapel, with permission. Stand in the darkness, use a spirit box and a digital recorder. Ask the priest to tell his story. Next, we journey to County Offaly, near the town of Tullamore. Here stands Charleville Castle, a Gothic masterpiece surrounded by ancient oak woods. It is haunted by the ghost of a little girl named Harriet. At just 8 years old, her life was cut tragically short. Visitors and staff report hearing her laughter and footsteps on the main staircase. Some have seen a fleeting glimpse of a little girl in a blue and white dress. Spend time alone near the grand staircase. Be quiet and respectful. Bring a small trigger object, a doll or ball, and place it on the stairs. Bring a high-sensitivity audio recorder and an open heart. Now we travel south to County Kerry, to the shores of Loch Lean. Here you will find Ross Castle, a 15th century fortress with a dark legend. Sabina O'Donoghue fell for an English officer. Her father, the Black Baron, summoned a storm that capsized their boat. Sabina's spirit wanders the water's edge. Visitors hear sorrowful cries on the wind. Legend claims the Black Baron sleeps beneath the loch, rising every 7 years on the first morning of May. Your must-do: take a boat tour at dusk, have your guide point out the lover's spot, and try an EMF meter at the shoreline. Ross Castle is easy from Killarney. Visit in spring, especially around May if you dare. Our final investigation takes us to County Carlow, to the haunting ruins of Duckett's Grove. Once a grand Gothic revival mansion, now skeletal and roofless, its empty windows like vacant eyes, a curse placed by a wronged mother, and a banshee whose wail foretells death in the family. Locals claimed the banshee's high-pitched scream echoed from the towers before her death. Explore the walled gardens as evening falls. Bring a parabolic microphone to amplify ambient sounds. Duckett's Grove is best reached by car. Visit late afternoon on an overcast, windy day. Bring warm layers. Listen carefully. So, is it the wind or the banshee? Pack your bags, charge your equipment, bring an EMF meter, spirit box and digital recorders. Remember to be respectful. Announce who you are and your intentions. You are a guest in the homes of spirits. Ask for a sign. Wait in silence. Check EVPs and waveform evidence carefully. Always secure permission for private sites, follow on-site rules and never disturb graves or artifacts. These ruins are more than attractions. They are places of real history, tragedy and energy. The adventure of a lifetime awaits. Will you face the darkness and listen to the whispers of the past? Subscribe for more haunted travel guides and leave a comment with your own experiences.